Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through a full Wise mobile app walkthrough, showing you exactly how to navigate and use all the key features of the app. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Download and log in. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search for Wise, and download the official app. Once installed, open it and log in with your credentials. Step 2. Home Dashboard Overview. After logging in, you'll land on the home screen. Here, you can see your account balances in multiple currencies, your recent transactions, and shortcuts to actions like sending money or adding funds. Step 3. Send and receive money. Tap Send to make an international or local transfer. Choose the amount, select the recipient, and pick the delivery method. To receive money, tap Receive, choose your currency, and share your Wise account details with the sender. Step 4. Manage your cards. Head to the Cards tab to manage your Wise debit card. You can activate, freeze, or replace your card, set spending limits, and view your PIN. You'll also see both your physical and virtual cards here. Step 5. Add or convert currencies. Under the Balances tab, you can hold and manage more than 40 currencies. Tap Add to open a new currency balance, and use Convert to exchange between them using real-time exchange rates. Step 6. Settings and security. Tap on your profile icon to access Settings. Here you can update personal details, enable biometrics, view your account limits, or log out securely. Tip: use the notifications feature to get instant alerts on payments, withdrawals, and transfers for extra control. And that's your full tour of the Wise mobile app. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.